Okay, so in this video, we're gonna go through the 3 most important things in personal injury PPC. Okay, so 3 of the most important things for personal injury PPC. Number 1 is keyword research, okay? If the boat doesn't know what the destination is, then how will you ever get there? Keyword research is where all of the gold mines are found in personal injury PPC. The reason a lot of personal injury lawyers think that it costs so much money to market their firm for PPC, for personal injury, is because most advertising agencies or PPC service providers go after car accident lawyer, personal injury lawyer, these keywords that are too vague and too competitive, quite frankly, for a smaller or even mid-sized firm to compete on. So the important thing here is keyword research. It's to break down your law firm into very specific niche segments that you certainly want cases within. So instead of going after keywords like, personal injury lawyer or car accident lawyer, it's usually more intelligent, if you want to keep a small budget on your campaign, relatively speaking, to go after things like dog bites, to go after things like motorcycle accidents, and to go after keywords like street bike accident lawyer, or for trucking, you can go on a keyword like semi-truck accident lawyer, or big rig crash lawyer, which is going to be much less searched. But when you do get a click on that, even if you only get a phone call every month or so, those are very high value calls and you're not spending much money for them. So breaking down your practice into very, very specific verticals, and not just going after car accident lawyer demand. And that starts with keyword research. Number 2 is landing pages. So landing pages, so keyword research gets you in front of the right traffic, and it also excludes the wrong traffic, because from your keyword analysis, you're gonna find words that are irrelevant, which you can exclude through negative keywords. But once we get that click, where is that person being sent to? And the most important thing after that click happens is that you make it easy for someone to reach out to you. And in order to make it easy for someone to reach out to you, your page needs to be relevant to what they're typing in. So for example, if you have a dog bite ad, someone clicks on the dog bite ad, do not send the click to the homepage of your website, send them to a dog bite specific page so that you appear as the only choice rather than just a choice. Number 3, okay, so we've talked about keyword research, targeted landing pages. Another little tidbit there is you want to actually build your mobile landing page first before you do desktop, because over 60% of traffic, we tracked over 80% of our leads for personal injury came in over 2018 through mobile devices. Record year, 80% mobile device leads. Okay, so we talked about keyword research and finding those exclusions. We talked about landing pages. Now, number 3 is vital. Understanding your market, okay? If you are in Atlanta, if you are in Chicago, if you are in New York City, if you're in Houston, you are not gonna have problems getting car accident cases, okay? The problem is going to be the fact that you didn't expand into other less competitive niches. Now, there are quite a few firms that aren't in major cities, that are not in major cities. The important thing there is to understand that if you are targeting a population of 200,000 in your total area, like you're in upstate New York or you're in the middle of nowhere, Kansas, what needs to happen is you need to spread your net a little bit more. Ooh, push the world. You need to spread your net. What does that mean? Somebody in Topeka, Kansas, or in the middle of Kansas, is not thinking to themselves when they go to Google to search for a lawyer, They're not thinking, I need a dog bite lawyer, because there's way less lawyers in Kansas than there are in Chicago, for example. In Chicago, they will type in dog bite lawyer. So what we've found a lot of success with in smaller geographic areas is going after town keywords. So someone typing in Topeka, Kansas lawyer, you're going to get some phone calls that are not relevant, but it's very important that you widen the net if you're in a very low traffic area, so that you don't have an add-on for car accident lawyer and it only shows up 10 times a month, because that's not what people are searching. So keyword research, targeted landing pages, and understand your market if you want to succeed at personal injury PPC.